Okay, I want to do a video real quick of Saturn view, probably typical of Chevrolets in General Motors, of a hatch release, because this car has a hatch release in the back that is electric. And I'm going to simulate that is if you close your hatch and latch your hatch, which would do if that pin, I just latched it. You can see that pin is that's what would happen. I apologize for the focus. And if you hit the button on the back, boom, it allows you to open your hatch. Focus. Sorry about that. Well, there's also a way that you can unlatch the hatch from the inside of the car, and I've got mine apart to make it easier to see. On the side of the latch, right here, there's a there's this small pin. If you push this forward, because it's spring loaded, you push it like that, the latch is unlatched. So if you have an electric latch and for some reason your electric latch broke and you need to get through the hatch of this stupid thing, there's a small access hole in the back that's built into the back cover, which I have removed. But if you just get a tool in here and you find this little lever, you can unlatch your hatch. That's kind of a tip. I know it's out of focus, but hopefully this will help somebody.